today I'm going to talk about all the products that you need. These are drugstore products, so they are very affordable and easily available in the market. Let's get started. Okay, so if you have hyperpigmentation around your mouth and dark circles under your eyes, you need to use a color corrector. This is the e.l.f. orange color corrector, which is easily available in the market and is super affordable. Now if your under eyes are deeper than mine, then only the orange color corrector will do. But if they are not as deep as mine, what you can do is mix your orange color corrector with your concealer and create a peach shade. Mix, and I'm going to apply it under my eye. Until I wait for my color corrector to dry and settle a little bit, I'm going to apply my foundation. Taking this foundation and then applying it on my face. Doing this will avoid adding a lot of product, and then it will still look very natural. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend my color corrector. You always want to tap everything in instead of swiping. Now we are done with the foundation. Next step is your concealer to cover these orange under eyes. Maybelline Fit Me concealer, a little bit over here. Take your concealer brush, just making sure that I'm covering all the orange under my eyes. Now I like my under eyes just that, very natural, not very bright. Your next step is to add blush. Let's take a little bit. I'm adding it on the high points of my cheek. I'm on this side. I'm going to take a little bit and then just put some on my nose. Now we are going to go ahead and set this. I love using the Fit Me pressed powder instead of the loose powder because I still haven't learned how to use the loose powder correctly. You take your powder on your powder puff, you rub it on your palms or the back of your hand, and then you want to lightly press the powder. Curl your eyes, instant lift. Mascara, I'm using the CoverGirl mascara, again very affordable, available in the drugstore. For your lips, you can use a lip liner and then a lipstick. I'm going to use the Maybelline More Taupe lipstick. You don't necessarily have to use a lip liner, but if you do, the game changer. This is my favorite go-to lipstick if I want to create a very subtle, natural makeup look. Okay, this is what my makeup looks like. I hope that helped. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm still learning makeup and I would love for you guys to come on a journey where whatever I learn, I can show it to you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.